I will put in a box 3 queen wishes spoken in Latin, the last day of the year and the first step of a dog.
I will put in the box a colourful Chinese dragon wiggling in the sky, a swishing tail of an ancient centaur, and a knight on a broomstick.
I will put in the box a glittering phoenix flying out of the fire, a happy dolphin expression from the sea, a popular green witch and an unpopular pink princess.
I will put in the box 3 violet wishes spoken in Latin, the last day of a year, and the magic of a sorcerer.
I will put in the box a dragon's egg and scale, all of my sister's love and my lovely friends.
I will put in a box a unicorn horn as magical as anything, a little bear in a house and a person in a cave.
I will put in the box a dragon's fairy wings, a fairy that breathes fire, and a knight with a wand.
I will put in the box a shiny fabric from a football kit, a scale from a dainty dragon, a venomous tarantula.
I will put in the box the sparkle of a spectacular smelly spell, the fiery, fantastic feathers of a phoenix, the pounding of a heartbeat when you exercise. I will put in the box a melting snowman with a dissolving belly, a sip of the darkest water from the river Nile, electric sparks from an electric eel. I will put in the box an enchanted book and a hooked horse and a sprinkle of God.
I will put in the box a lion claw from a flaming griffin, a blood-red moon, and the 32nd day of the month.
I will put in the box the terrific shine of Taylor Swift's favourite leotard, the trot of an unbelievable and unique unicorn, the long neck of a giraffe twisting and turning in the trees.
I will put in the box a soft white snowflake, a playful puppy running in the green grass, the first cry of a baby.
I will put in the box 3 pink wishes spoken in Portuguese, the last firework on New Year's Eve, and the first house built on the street.
I will put in the box 3 turquoise wishes spoken in Albanian, the last word from a papa and the first step of a baby.
I will put in the box a clown with a dress on and a princess with a red nose, a snowflake on Mount Everest, a person with 7 fingers. I will put in the box a sparkly dress swished and swashed in the winter snow, eyes from a dragon's wide mouth, the teeth from an old ancient tailor.
I will put in the box a blue sun and a yellow Pluto, a witch on a horse, a cowboy on a broom.
I will put in a box a swish of a magical mermaid's tail, an R from a pirate stuck in traffic, an eel electrocuting its prey.
I'll put in the box a snowman melting by a bonfire, a sip of luck in a bucket, a leaping fish jumping in the sea.
I will put in the box 3 summer wishes spoken in Latin, the last joke of a speaking goat, and the first step of a baby.